All right, welcome back. Now let's get you informed before we get into that conversation. Our farmers drawn from the North Rift region got a shot in the arm after West African Business Company launched its operation in the East African market. Now speaking in Moid constituency in the county of Uasin Gishu, as in Noma, county officials and farmers say that the workshop partnership with agro input manufacturers and distributors for bulk purchases will bolster farmers with essential inputs including fertilizers and agrochemicals through input financing.
For instance, Nigeria was heavily dependent on importation of rice because it was our staple food. What rice is to Nigeria is what maize is to Kenyans. However, you can agree with me that production versus consumption, there's a huge gap. However, how do we solve this problem? Is to be able to partner with smallholder farmers to ensure that we boost their productivity and we are self-reliant in food security.
We're looking at multi-value chain cooperative societies. We are keen on aggregation, and therefore when partners come in to support building capacity as well as providing input so that we improve productivity at the farm level is one of the items that we truly work with and celebrate that we can get other partners to join us. So here we are today. We look forward to partnering with many more stakeholders and calling on our farmers and various stakeholders to join cooperative societies so that we can take advantage of economics of scale.
We welcome every investor and partner to work with us and assist our farmers, both on farm inputs and even marketing that price. There may have been other players, but we welcome competition.
All right, and still on matters agriculture now, as